In ancient Rome, fountains served not only as a source of water, but also as a means to celebrate art and beauty. These fountains frequently depicted mythological figures and boasted intricate designs, displaying the proficiency of skilled craftsmen. Join us on a journey to explore some of the most artistic and historical fountains. The Trevi Fountain is the largest and most famous fountain in Rome. This Baroque masterpiece was designed by Nicola Salvi in the 18th century and is located in the historic center. The coins collected from the Trevi Fountain each year, nearly £1 million, go to a local charity. Legend has it that if you throw a coin into the fountain with your right hand over your left shoulder, you are sure to return to Rome someday. So don't forget to make a wish and toss a coin into the fountain. The Fountain of the Four Rivers, located in the Piazza Navona, was designed by Gian Lorenzo Bernini. It is a true masterpiece of Baroque art. It represents the four major rivers of the world: the Nile, the Ganges, the Danube, and the Rio de la Plata. Each figure in the fountain is surrounded by animals and plants native to their respective regions, creating a stunning and intricate work of art. The Fountain of the Pantheon is located in the Piazza della Rotonda. The fountain was designed by Giacomo della Porta in the 16th century and has a unique design that complements the surrounding architecture. The fountain features an obelisk in the center and is adorned with beautiful sculptures, including two dragons holding the coat of arms of Pope Gregory XIII and the head of a lion, symbolizing the strength of the papacy. The Trident Fountain is located in the Piazza Barberini. This fountain was designed by Gian Lorenzo Bernini and features a powerful figure of Triton, the mythological Greek god of the sea. The fountain is made of travertine stone and depicts Triton holding a conch shell that spouts water into the basin below. The fountain's intricate design and craftsmanship have earned it a reputation as a masterpiece of Baroque art. The Fountain of the Nyads is located in Piazza della Repubblica. This fountain, also known as the Fontana del Naiadi, was designed by Mario Rutelli in the late 19th century and features sculptures of water nymphs, or naiads, riding on the backs of sea creatures. The fountain is surrounded by four smaller fountains and is a popular spot for locals and tourists alike to relax and take in the beauty of the city. The Moor Fountain is located in the Piazza Navona. This fountain, also known as the Fontana del Moro, features a statue of a Moor fighting with a dolphin. The fountain was designed by Giacomo della Porta in the 16th century. The design of the Moor Fountain was inspired by a Roman myth about Neptune's victory over a sea monster. The Moor Fountain is considered one of the most beautiful fountains in Rome and is a popular tourist attraction. And that's it for our tour of the fountains of Rome. From the Trevi Fountain to the Moor Fountain, we have seen some of the most stunning and iconic fountains in the Eternal City. If you ever have the chance to visit Rome, make sure to take a stroll around the city and explore these beautiful works of art. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.